Alright, so today I'm going to be playing more of Push the Button. So first we're going trick-or-treating. And I'm voting yes, because why not? Trick-or-treat, who is it? And it wasn't a ghost. Good. I thought it was going to be a ghost and I'm going to be like, what? And I'm going to skip a little bit, because this is going to be like the more fun part. So focus on it. I'm focusing. And yeah, it has to be the middle one. It has to be. Definitely. So I'm choosing this one. It has to be it. I was putting my finger on it the whole time. So, yup, I got it. Got it. 10 coins. So I'm gonna go ahead and click the button. Super hard to click it though, because of how many people there are trying to press it. Let's see. Probably won't make this goal. This is a little bit glitchy. And come on, just go. Go. We have little time left. Come on. And oh, I didn't score it. It's fine. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to press the button. And I'm gonna the main goal of this is just to hit. I'm probably not gonna get first place, because it's gonna be super hard too. And I'm just gonna keep on hitting it, and is it almost over? I have like 18 seconds. So come on. And 7 seconds. 5, 3, and 1. Let's see. Oh, she got the same amount of points as me. Alright. Okay. So how is that dude already starting? I'm confused. He was already starting. I'm gonna try to I was trying to get him out, but it didn't work. So it's fine though. No way. Those guys seem pretty experienced. So 10 seconds left. 7, 5, and 2. Oh, she won. She's like a master at this. I don't know how she keeps doing this. Oh no. I don't like this. I'm not very good at spinners. Jump again. Oh, a lot of people are losing. How am I still going? Oh, I'm the only one. Oh, no, there's someone. Okay, never mind. Might be a little bit better than I thought I was. So let's go. 1. Okay. Alright. Press the button. And again. Okay. Let's go. So we have 25. Yeah, I don't know how people are bad at this. Like, you just jump, keep running, and they stay still. That's why they're losing. See? You're supposed to run and then jump for it to work. Yeah. People don't understand that. Like, that's how a spinner is supposed to work. So Okay, we both won. That's fair. That person was good. So, I'm gonna go ahead. Oh no, he has hot potato. Okay, I might want to stay away from him. Did not want to get the hot potato. Sword fight. I'm gonna lose immediately. I do not know how to use a sword. Like, everyone here is a pro. Okay, I barely did anything. That person's just a pro. Like, easily. She won? Wow. That's crazy. Alright. 2019. Yeah? 2019, right? Okay. Alright. Oh. Okay. Let's do it. Push. I'm gonna keep on pushing. Come on. We're just gonna go ahead and go. Okay. Let's go. Oh. Okay. We have like 10 more seconds. Huh. Okay. Wow. We are so close. Come on. Okay, just don't chase me. Alright. Come on. Just don't go for me. It's easy, bro. Just go for other people. Why would you be near that button? Like, okay. Like, honestly, why would you be near it? Have you seen what it's done so far? Like, that's crazy. I don't know why they would do that. Alright, I'm trying to be king of the hill. Just trying to be, but I don't know if I can. So, I'm just gonna keep pushing, and then at the last few seconds, I'm gonna go in. That's how it usually works. Yeah, that's how it's supposed to work. That's what I usually do. Come on. And let's go. I won 18 points. You don't even have to be the king. You just have to push people off. Alright. Let's do this. Click the button. I'm not going near it. And boulders. This should be a little bit easy. And okay. Alright. Bet. Alright. Definitely. Okay, that person did not look. They're probably just looking straight. You have to look at an angle so you know when the boulder's coming. Like, that's simple. Like, obviously. So, come on, bro. Don't bug us like that. Okay, going. These people do not know when to go. Like, look at the boulder. Keep going if there's no boulder. And there is. This person just. Oh, okay. I'm gonna be the first one there. Easy. Absolutely easy. Alright. And these people have like 5 seconds. How are they not there yet? Like, I'm honestly confused. How? Okay, like how? Alright. Tsunami. I'm not gonna make this. I'm really bad at figuring things out. Like, especially when people say there's a tsunami. Yeah. No. Not very good at figuring. So, I am going to not survive. Okay, twice. Wow. Never thought I'd do that twice. Come on, bro. We just gotta score a goal. It's really not that hard. Come on. Come on. Come on, bro. It's okay. Jump in the cauldron? Okay, you guys go first. Okay. It's just... Oh, it's nothing harmless, so... It's totally fine. You just makes your head big, so... Not really harmful. Mine was like right next to it, so it was a little bit fair. So I'm gonna go, and I'm gonna see you guys later. Bye.